Templates, when attached to a document, can greatly affect how that document looks. You can change from one template to another at any time, as described in this quick tip. In Word, a template is used to specify the default styles and text formatting for a document. When you first open a blank document, Word automatically attaches the normal template, although you can specify a different template. If you want to change the template associated with a document, you can do so by using the Developer tab of the ribbon. The problem is that the Developer tab is not displayed by default. It would normally appear right up here near the right side of the ribbon tabs. To make the Developer tab visible, all you need to do is jump over to the Word Options dialog box. We'll click on Options, and you can see the dialog box. And now we want to go to Customize Ribbon at the left side. We need to pay attention to the settings in the right side of this dialog box here. This particular ribbon is expanded because that's the ribbon that we have selected within the document when we displayed the Word Options dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and collapse that. And notice down here that the Developer tab does not have a checkbox in here. That means that it's not displayed on the screen. And that's the default condition for a standard installation of Word. If we want to display the Developer tab of the ribbon, then all we have to do is click in that checkbox. It's now selected, and when we click on OK, notice that the Developer tab is now displayed. Now, to attach a different template to this document, all we have to do is display the Developer tab of the ribbon, and then over here at the right side, there's a tool that says Document Template. Click on that, and we see the Templates and Add-ins dialog box. Notice that the normal template is the template that's currently attached to this document. If we want a different template, all we have to do is click on the Attach button, which displays the Attach Template dialog box. This is very similar to a standard Open dialog box. You can use the controls in this dialog box to locate the template that you want to attach. Let's say, for instance, that I want to attach this one called My Template. I click on it, then I click on Open, and you can see that it's put the full path for that template in the Templates and Add-ins dialog box. I still haven't attached it yet because this dialog box is open. And there's one other thing that I want to do before I close the dialog box. I want to choose this option right here, Automatically Update Document Styles. What that does is to make the styles that you've defined within that template available in this document that you're attaching the template to. So with that selected, I go ahead and I click on OK. And now all of those styles from within that template are available within this document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.